Welcome to the Art Isms project. First, you're going to need to fill out your project planning sheet. You can choose your 2 art isms, your materials, and your subject before you begin. Then draw a light line down the middle of your paper. I chose surrealism and pointillism, so I'm going to write pointillism on one side and surrealism on the other side. Next, draw your subject in the middle of the paper so that some of it is on one half and some is on the other. I chose a dolphin for mine, but you can choose any animal, a person, or any object that you would like. That's pretty good. I made some adjustments, and I'm going to add a little bit of a background. You should too. Now for the surrealism side, I'm going to add some unusual elements to this dolphin. I'm going to give it a human eye. I'll put some jewels hanging from the sky and some mountains under the water. And maybe bees coming out of the dolphin's blowhole. If you chose surrealism, just remember, make it weird. Make it look like a dream, something unusual that you would not see in everyday life. Now I'll try the pointillism side. Pointillism is really fun, but it does take a long time. It's made up of lots of tiny dots. I chose markers because they're pretty easy for making either big dots or smaller dots. See what happens when you put the dots farther apart? See how the colors get lighter that way? Or when you put them closer together, your colors will be darker. You also want to try some different color combinations. It's a lot more interesting if you put some yellows in there, even though it's supposed to be something that's blue. Try it out. Take your time with it. Have fun. I chose colored pencils for the surrealism side. This would also work well if you chose realism, because colored pencils can be sharpened for detail, and they can be layered to make lots and lots of different colors. Take your time, be neat and complete when you're coloring in your surrealism side, or realism, or cubism, whichever ism you chose. And there it is, a beautiful art isms project. Surrealism on the left, pointillism on the right. I hope you have fun.